Did you know that an eagle's grip is up to 10 times stronger than humans? Wow, you definitely wouldn't want to get in a fight with an eagle. Eagles are revered as living symbols of power, freedom, and transcendence all over the world. Eagles are among the largest birds on the planet. Some species feed on large prey, such as monkeys and sloths, putting them at the top of the food chain. They have incredible vision and can spot prey from up to 2 miles away. There are about 60 different species of eagles, the majority of which are found in Eurasia and Africa. There's only 14 species found in North, Central, and South America, as well as Australia. Eagles are generally larger than other birds of prey, with the exception of some vultures. They have powerful talons, large hooked beaks, and strong muscular legs that allow them to rip the flesh from their prey. The strongest of all the eagle's senses is sight. The eyes are large, occupying nearly half of the head, and weighing roughly the same as a human eye. Eagle eyes are angled 30 degrees away from the face's center, giving them a wider field of vision. To our 3 basic colors, eagles can see 5 and can detect UV light. Cones are light-detecting cells with a color sensitivity. Because eagles have more cones in their retinas, a layer at the back of their eyeball, they have much better vision than humans. Eagles have 1 million cones per square millimeter, while we have 200,000. Eagles are apex predators. The species of eagle and the food available to them determine what they eat, but they are all carnivorous and eat meat and/or fish. Eagles can be divided broadly into 4 groups: sea eagles, booted eagles, snake eagles, and giant forest eagles. Birds, small mammals, reptiles, rodents, amphibians, and insects make up the diet of booted eagles, whereas others have a more limited diet. Sea eagles, also known as fish eagles, eat mostly fish, whereas snake eagles specialize in catching reptiles. Forest animals are eaten by the giant forest eagles. The harpy eagle, one of the largest eagles, feeds on larger animals such as monkeys and sloths. Wow. Let's look at some cool facts about eagles. They build their nests on top of high cliffs. This is especially true of the golden eagle. They're a symbol of freedom and peace. There are a lot of eagles on government buildings and flags. Bald eagles actually aren't bald. They have hair, or feathers. They have a hooked beak, which is great for hunting. A baby eagle is called an eaglet. So cute. Female eagles lay 1 to 3 white eggs each spring. A group of eagles is called a convocation. The Harry Potter house Ravenclaw is represented by an eagle. I hope you learned a lot about eagles today, and thank you for watching. Good luck studying.